for some extra examples on percentages, let's go over just some of the more basic finding percent of a number. So let's say, for example, that we're in a store and we find a sweatshirt that costs $32 and there's a sign next to it that says it's on sale, and then it says that it is 15% off right now. So we can use what we talked about in the first video about turning our words into a math equation that we can solve. So we have to think about this with those words. So I can think about this as saying, well, it's 15% off of the $32. So we can say it's 15% off of the $32. What is that? What is that? Okay, I mean, I know that's not great grammar in English, whatever, but so let's work through our problem. 15%, we write 0.15. The next word we see is that word of, and that tells us times. And then we see a number stays a number. What is that? Well, that is means it's going to equal, and then we can figure out what it equals. So then we were putting our calculator, 0.15 times 32, and we're going to get 4.8. And since we're talking about money, I'm going to add a 0 at the end so we can see it's $4.80. Well, let's think about what makes sense. If it costs $32 and it's 15% off, does it mean it cost $4.80? That doesn't seem like very much money. What it means is that that's how much we're saving. So then I take my $32 that originally cost, and I'm going to subtract the 15% off. That's a $4.80. So we're going to take the 32 minus the $4.80, and then we get 27.2, or again, since it's money, we'll do 27.20. So that means that I'm going to pay $27.20 for that item now. And then we can do one more similar. Let's go the other way. So that was on sale, so the price was going down. So we took our original price and we subtracted our discount. Let's do, I'm at a restaurant and my bill comes to $18. And I'm going to leave a 20% tip. So in this case, the amount should be going up because I'm leaving a tip, so it means I'm leaving more money. So if I'm going to leave a 20% tip, I need to know what is 20% of 18. So I'm trying to find what is 20% of 18 for me to leave that 20% tip. So we can do our converting again. What we don't know is means equals 20%, turn it into a decimal, 0.20. Of means we're going to multiply, and the number stays a number. So because these two things are on the same side of the equal sign, we can just go ahead and multiply them. We don't need to do inverse operations. So we need 0.20 times 18, and we get that this is 3.6. Again, since we're talking money, let's add a 0. So this is not my new cost, but this is how much I'm going to leave for a tip. So I'm going to leave that server $3.60. So how much am I paying altogether? Well, I had the $18 that my bill came to, plus I'm going to leave a tip of $3.60. So I'm going to add those together, and that means my total bill now is 21.6, or again, add that 0 in there since it's money. So we can still use that translating these phrases just like we did in the first video to find increasing percents like tax and tip, or discounted like sales. So this can help us solve lots of different types of real world problems.